Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a little shine, a little pop of color, and a whole lot of confidence, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a product that's all about adding that perfect glossy finish to your lips with long-lasting wear that doesn't quit. So, if you're craving a high shine gloss that stays put and feels amazing, keep watching. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a beauty review from us. Today, we're reviewing the Gloss Bomb Stix High Shine Gloss in the shade 06 Riri by Fenty Beauty. This lip product promises to give you a glossy, plumped up pout with lasting power. Fenty Beauty, known for creating products that work for everyone, has come out with a stick version of their famous Gloss Bomb. And let me tell you, it's just as good as you'd expect. The Gloss Bomb Stix in Riri is a beautiful shade of soft pink that's universally flattering, offering a high gloss finish without being sticky. The formula is smooth, gliding on effortlessly, and providing that luscious, full lip look that catches the light just right. With its creamy texture, it promises to leave your lips feeling hydrated and soft, while the high gloss finish ensures your pout looks plump and radiant all day. Let's talk about the experience of using it. When I first tried this, I was impressed by how easy it was to apply. The stick form makes it super convenient, especially if you're on the go. No need to worry about a mirror, just swipe it on and you're good to go. The texture is smooth and non-greasy, and the gloss doesn't feel heavy, which I know is a concern for some gloss lovers. It's comfortable to wear and doesn't leave my lips feeling dry or sticky, something I really appreciate in a gloss. In terms of longevity, I was pleasantly surprised. While it's not like a matte lipstick that's going to last through meals or a whole day without touch-ups, it does stay put for a solid few hours. I found that it faded gradually and the gloss stayed glossy without being overwhelming. If you're someone who wants a gloss that gives your lips that fresh and dewy look throughout the day, this definitely fits the bill. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, this gloss delivers what it promises: high shine, comfortable wear, and a beautiful color that flatters a variety of skin tones. The formula feels luxurious and hydrating, not at all sticky, which is a big win in the gloss world. The stick form makes it easy to apply anywhere, and the color payoff is impressive, even if you're just looking for a hint of shine. On the con side, while the product feels great and looks amazing, the wear time could be a little better. It's not one of those glosses that's going to last all day without a touch-up. The price point is also on the higher end compared to other glosses in the market, but you are paying for a premium product from Fenty Beauty, which is known for quality. As far as value for money, I would say this is a product worth trying if you love high shine glosses and are willing to invest in a product from a trusted brand. The formulation is great, and you're getting something that feels more luxurious than your average lip gloss. For those of you who are wondering how this compares to other glosses on the market, I'd say it stands out because of its long-lasting shine and the hydrating formula. Some glosses can feel drying after a while, but Fenty's Gloss Bomb Stix keeps your lips feeling soft. If you're looking for something with more staying power, you might need to layer a lip liner or lipstick underneath. But that's something to keep in mind if you like versatility in your lip products. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The stick form is sturdy, making it easy to carry in your bag without worrying about it breaking or spilling. If you're on the hunt for cheaper alternatives, there are some great options from brands like Maybelline and NYX that offer glossy finishes at a lower price point. However, what sets Fenty apart is the high-end formulation and the inclusivity that the brand stands for, ensuring there's a shade for everyone. So what's the final verdict? If you're a fan of glossy lips and you're looking for something that delivers on both shine and comfort, the Gloss Bomb Stix High Shine Gloss in Riri is a fantastic choice. It's easy to apply, it feels great on the lips, and it has a beautiful, natural finish that can elevate any makeup look. However, if you're looking for something that lasts longer or comes at a more affordable price point, you may want to explore other options as well. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product is right in the comments or description box. If you've used this gloss, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear what you think about this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.